Get excited about the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, skid plates, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.